Okay, what we're trying to do here, how do we cut it into the shape like this, right? Instead of doing a miter like that, right? So if you can't miter it, so this time I cannot do the 45 cut because so how are we gonna join it like that, because that was like cut straight. So what are you trying to do here, we're gonna cut it like this, right? So first thing is you gotta cut it to 45. Already cut it here, and then we're just gonna jig it. We need this blade like this. Oh, it's blurry right there. Okay, so now let's cut it to the length. Okay, this one goes here. It's not perfect, but we're just gonna coating it. Alright, so now much better. And then we're just gonna apply some caulking. That's good. Alright, this is my last two piece that goes here. The other one goes here. Alright, so all the corners were not miter 45. So that's what we're doing here. And this one, oh, it's too long. Cancel.